How can manufacturers use social media to promote their brands and products? Social media for manufacturing can seem like a challenge, but used correctly, it can make your brand stand out from the crowd and help you to attract customers. The key to it all? Storytelling. One of the most important principles of storytelling is finding a hook for your story, something that your entire narrative revolves around that grabs people's attention. For manufacturing companies, the hook is the issues your products have the solution to. Create content around how your products can help customers solve their problems. Discover what are the most common questions your customers ask when they start researching for a manufacturer, and make sure your content answers them. Another key principle of storytelling is being visual. This is something you can really do well on social media. Consider shooting some behind-the-scenes footage of how your production process works. Videos showing how a certain product is made from beginning to end are often surprisingly popular online. Not only do these videos showcase your technical capabilities to potential clients, but the story itself is something intrinsically interesting and satisfying on a human level. And finally, don't forget to be honest about your issues. Most companies find this tip hard to follow. After all, going out on social media and saying you've done something wrong is not easy. It is, however, a greatly appreciated and very human way of announcing that you have updated a product or even launched a new one. Perhaps the reason behind this is the fact your old product had issues. If that's the case, it's better for you to come forward on social media, own the conversation, and change that negative into a positive. Do you have any questions about social media marketing in the manufacturing sector? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we have an in-depth guide about this topic on our training platform. Check it out using the link in the description.